Hello everyone! Have you ever run into the problem you pick up your old iPhone, but because you forgot the lock screen passcode, you just can't get in? In this video, I'll show you how to safely unlock your iPhone without passcode and then recover your important data afterwards. Syncios Passcode Unlocker is a professional iPhone unlocking tool designed to help users remove iPhone screen passcode, Apple ID, Face ID, and more in minutes. It supports multiple unlocking scenarios, such as bypass screen time passcode without data loss. Now let me show you how to bypass your iPhone screen time passcode using Syncios Passcode Unlocker. First, launch Syncios Passcode Unlocker on your computer. Then click Start to Unlock button. Next, connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Follow the on-screen prompts if it's unable to recognize your iPhone. Once the connection is successful, click Start. Here are two very important reminders. 1. Make sure your iPhone is fully charged. 2. The reset process will erase everything on your device, but with Syncios iOS data recovery, you can restore everything. Now, you need to download a firmware package online and wait for a few seconds. It will prompt a window asking if you confirm to unlock your iOS device by erasing all data. If you are fine with it, type 60 and hit the unlock button to remove screen lock instantly. And that's it! Your iPhone unlocked successfully. Now you can bring your data back using Syncios iOS data recovery in minutes. Watch our tutorial from the channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!